What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're on the dyno again, ready to blow some shit off the roller. It's like, we're not gonna do that. But we got the budget 8 gen here. We're about to tune it on gate, which should be between 9 and 12 pounds. I think the spring in there is like 9.5, so we're gonna find out. And hopefully we should make like 420, 430. So we're about to strap this thing down, and then Chris got to tune another RSX that I just turboed also. So whole day of dyno videos.
Healthy motor.
I like oil.
Torque.
First
It helped boost because it's flat.
First pull.
That boy got no timing though. It's good. Get over there and get a video from that area. Stand in that corner and get this one. That'd be a pop.
Big capper.
Huz?
Big capper.
What was that? Huz? Huz?
What was that?
Huz?
Cousin.
You did what? A coupler?
All right, guys, final numbers are 424 on about 11 pounds. It's got a little spike right here because hey, red line, I was heavy on the box, but
Big heavy guy.
but our car's done, full pulls and done. I did partial on the street on the way up here, did a little bit on the dyno, and car's good to go. The customer is on the way to come pick the car up. Now we are tuning the RSX. It's got a turboneted 60-1 precision wastegate. I think it's got a PLM manifold. Downpipe made by me, charge pipe made by me, VS Racing blow-off valve, K20 Z1, 6-speed trans, unknown clutch, and we think it's an XTD stage 4 or a Clutch Max stage 4.
Not the Clutch Max. Not the
Hey man, them Clutch Maxes be working.
No. Not
Yeah.
the Max. Stop.
Yeah, yeah.
My XCD did way better than the Clutch Max.
Nah, the Clutch Max that I tuned that,
Hit that red
24
button
on, that motor 24 on, it did pretty good. So this car's on pump gas, that car's on pump gas. If it was on E85, we wouldn't be making jam.
What's tomorrow's day?
Huh?
E85 day.
Tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow is E85 day. So stay tuned for that video.
Big fucking
Bunch of horsepower videos coming all week long.
Big track day coming up.
Big track day coming up. Damn, y'all about to get a shitload of videos. Y'all don't even know what y'all live for.
Let's go, baby. Track. Hopefully
okay.
the track is tracking.
Yeah, hopefully the track is tracking and the cars are carring and the motors are motoring tomorrow.
Long as the lights are scared.
But the rain is raining. We're not gonna talk about ice.
Is the tuner
right
tuning?
The tuner is tuning.
Oh, baby.
And the moon is mooning.
The moon. All the torque, baby.
Jeez.
10 pounds, rich as fuck.
10 pounds, yeah. Figured it was rich by the backfire. By This turbo is hating life right now. Did you hit boost cut? No.
I had it at 14.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, you get the gist. This ain't.
Yeah, this turbo is not the one. She's tired. Tired. Do it, Stumpy. Do it. Do it. Tired.
Yeah, I mean that's terrible power.
Terrible.
I mean, we should be at like 450, 460 on that amount of boost.
Yeah.
I mean, it definitely looks a lot better.
Yeah.
But I mean, for 13 and a half, 14 pounds, to not make 400.
No, yeah.
In other words,
the turbo is not turbo.
It needs a turbo. It stands up.
Yeah, just
It don't start running.
What do you think that is?
It need a
then? What,
VS.
if it's not pulling out, that's the exhaust wheel. It's not holding.
Yeah.
It comes on, but it just.
The exhaust housing would not come off the turbo, so that could be an issue.
I mean, I'd have to push 16 pounds to make 400. That's just not
that's
it.
not it.
That's a lot.
And I'm at
About 80,
17, 16 degrees, which I mean, I could go more, but it's pump gas. I mean, it should make power at that.
Yeah.
Cam angle's what I like, the way it comes on hard. It's not a bad graph, but that's like 8 pounds to me, 8 or 9 pounds.
Yeah. That's what Colton made on 8 pounds.
Yeah. So I guess we're putting a turbo on it.
Yeah.
Jack Sparrow coming in hot.
No, VS coming in hot.
All right, well, we'll leave it. We'll leave it.
We're gonna do what?
Precision.
Stop.
Oh my.
We don't utter
don't
those
speak
words.
those
Yeah,
words
we don't
right
speak
here.
those words. We speak Jack Sparrow, VS Racing, and Bob
Y'all
Wiener.
don't even say this man's
Okay.
name right.
Bull boost.
I'm a Jack Sparrow.
And Bull Boost.
Pulsar.
No, that's a little bit too baller. That's some-
If I could buy with 8 my
why you keep?
Garrett.
Why your turbo prices keep going up?
GTX 3582R like $3 grand.
That's a whole turbo kit.
That's a budget kit. Gotta spend money
Damn, dude. And then I guess
to make power.
too, right, bro?
Huh?
And relay the pump.
Oh yeah, relay the pump. Yeah,
What we learned about that, Phil? What we learned today?
relay your pumps. Okay.
Make sure you relay your pump.
Me tell you relay your pump.
Well, the pump ain't pumping.
The pump ain't pumping. The relay ain't relaying.
Fuck, Phil.
Huh?
The batteries.
Oh
in the trunk,
yeah, that
shit
is
so
right.
Easy.
Oh
God.
no.
It's like when you,
If it-
it's like when you go to bed and
Now,
your
if
lady,
the turbo was turboing and you didn't relay the pump, then I'd be mad. But
But-
the turbo's not turboing.
But technically, you got 2 wrongs. You should have it right.
That's not how this works.
I know.
Dude, it sounds like such a dud.
Yeah, it's so labored.
But the graph looks good.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what that's next? That clutch, my boy.
Nah, the clutch actually.
See, I told you. Clutch- Put the TSX on here.
TSX.
Nah, I mean, but
Turbo TSX time.
I mean that's not bad. It's just
That's good for like a V20 VTEC.
I'm not mad at the torque. Like I just don't understand. It's just the turbo ain't it.
That's a B series numbers.
That sucks. 'Cause I was kind of wanted to do something cool, but I
Big
guess not.
sauce.
Is this how our tuning weekend's gonna go?
I hope not.
No.
I mean, my turbo experience has been pretty solid, so I have to tune 2 of the other cars tomorrow. So if I go 2 for 3, I'll be good. All right. To be continued.
Oh my god.